which is between Nizam Royals and Rangareddy Raptors.
Without wasting any more time, we head into this specific category. It is the girls under 18 match, a semi-final encounter to see who walks into the final.
The very first team coming onto the court is Nizam Royals.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome Rangareddy Raptors.
Now it's time to fill the 7th spot in the final. Nizam Royals versus Rangareddy Raptors.
Game has begun. This is the under 18 fixture to be played between Nizam Royals and Rangareddy Raptors. Diaz in the middle. And that's a 3 for Vedya. What a start for the Nizam Royals. Bhavna, the captain, giving it to Tanushri. Tanushri tries to go inside and off the glass. Tanushri opens scores with that layup. Nearly losing it, and then yes, it's a fast break opportunity. Jia Jitesh takes it to the hoop and she makes it. Nearly losing it to Dia, but she forces her way in and makes it, and one for her. And a quick pass to Vedya. And she makes it. That's a second 3 for Vedya. Medha spinning, dropping it to Ridhima. Ridhima with an easy bucket there. Splits the defense, couldn't make it. Tanushri with the ball gives an advance pass to Jia. Jia for a layup and she makes it. Their scoring has literally frozen after that 15th point. And now Prisha spotting up for a jumper. She makes it. First one in front of Bhavna, but she couldn't make it. Bhavna now with the steal, bringing it right up. And she tries to split the defense, goes, and it's a sweet floater. She makes it. He's not able to make it. It's another opportunity, and this time Bhavna sinks it. Spots up, she couldn't make it either. Rebounded by Ridhima. Ridhima high off the glass and drops it right in the scores. Bhavna tried to force that attempt. She could have dropped it to Dia. And this is Ridhima off the glass. Dia's there, but Roshni was there to thwart it. But launches a random wayward one. But Dia is there to pick up the trash and put it right back in. You have Ridhima. Ridhima with a sweet, sweet jumper. Once again, Bhavna takes it away. This is 3-on-1 situation. Can she make it? Gives it to Dia. Dia is unchallenged and she makes it. And Roshni beating a man, takes it up, drops it to Dia. Dia for a jumper and she makes it. In paint, but you see Jia Jitesh. Oh yes! Fourth opportunity, and this time it's good. She draws a foul. That's a 3-point play. That's one more for Dia is there to pick up the rebound. Ridhima had another opportunity and she makes it. Because they've had a flurry of baskets now. You can see Tanushri on the sidelines. Tanushri now tries to separate the defense and go in. She makes it. Losing 3 people in the 4th quarter on foul trouble. It's not easy at all. Back to Prisha. Prisha back out to Vedya. Vedya spotting up for a 3. And yes! Prisha finding the open man on the corner to Bhavna. Bhavna goes up for a layup off the glass. Riya Sharma. I'm sorry, this seems to be a change in plans. It's Navya. It's another opportunity to her, and this one she makes sure she doesn't miss. Dia sinks. Can she make it? She gives a outlet pass there to find an open man and making that shot. The Royals continue scoring, and that's been a good one made by Beryl. And that's the end of the game. And Royals have won it in style, in royal fashion indeed. It's a royal flush, in fact. 89 to the Raptors, 71. Outstanding efforts by both the teams.